afternoon, everyone. It's me again, Abu speaking. Only preaching peace and love. And with the forgiveness for your bullies, they must also come. Okay, before I speak, I'm speaking to myself also. With the forgiveness for your bullies, there must also come reconciliation. In the sense of trying to make your connections and make right where you made wrong. So for the phrase of the night is let's try and make right where we made wrong. Abu only preaching peace and love out. And on a lighter note, it's not that deep.